Hi, and welcome to Unit 1, Part 2 of the Ross School Guitar Curriculum. In this unit, you're going to be learning how to play notes on the second string. So up to this point, you should feel very comfortable playing your E, F, and G on the first string, which we learned are played in the open position. F is first fret, and G is third fret. Now we're going to move over to our second string, and we're going to be learning the three notes that are lower, and their names are B, C, and D. B, C, and D have the exact same fingering as the three notes you've already learned. The only difference is that you're shifting both hands over to the second string. So you need to be sure that your left hand fingers are pressing strong into the fingerboard on the second string, and that when you strum with your thumb, or perhaps you're using a pick, you're strumming the second string as well. The technique remains the same in that when you put down your third finger, you should always add it. So first finger's by itself, third finger should have both fingers down. It's just proper technique, and it allows you to move faster between notes. It's less motion and less work than doing a finger flip-flop. So just adding the third finger when you go to play that D. After you have done a little bit of experimenting on your guitar playing these three new notes, go to the Hal Leonard book and turn to page 8, which is where you will find all of the diagrams and written music for these next three notes. As in our first string notes, you've got your open B, and you can see the way that this is written. It's on the middle line of the treble staff. We've got our next note C, which is first finger down, first fret, and you can see the way that's written. It's a space note on the third space. And then finally D, which is a line note written on the fourth line, counting up from the bottom, of course. You can use these diagrams, and you can use these photos to help you learn how to play these three new notes. Your next assignment is to play some of these exercises and get really comfortable reading these notes, B, C, and D.